In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover the exact steps that you need to take to finally get results and to finally get one step closer to succeeding in your affiliate marketing business. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire piece of content. And as stated, we're going to get right into the good stuff of how to get results within your affiliate marketing business and 5 practical things that you can apply to your business to finally start getting results. Now, when I first started affiliate marketing, it used to piss me off when I would see everybody else getting results and I wasn't, right? They were living the dream, they had the nice lifestyle, and I wasn't. And I really didn't know how to figure it out, right? That's why I create this type of content, so that way you guys can actually get the steps, start applying these steps, get results, and happy days, no more crying, right? Now, if you guys, this is your first time coming across my content, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I'm a serial digital entrepreneur, and I live the dream life, so I want to teach you guys how to do the same with affiliate marketing. Hit the subscribers button, hit the notifications bell to join the family and get one step closer to crushing it online. Now let's get into the content. Now, the first thing is knowing your avatar. So the first step to getting results within your affiliate marketing business is knowing your avatar. A lot of people, when they're doing their advertisement or they're speaking to somebody trying to sell their product, right, they're speaking to the wrong people, right? So you need to know who you're selling to, right? Now, before you even pick a product, right, you need to find your niche, and then within that niche, with the type of products you're going to go ahead and provide, you need to know who you're trying to actually speak to, right? Now, for my specific avatar, I'm speaking to struggling affiliates, people who need my help, right? And I sell those type of products, right? If you're trying to sell the weight loss products, yours might be middle-aged to elderly women who are trying to lose weight, right? So anywhere from 40 to 55 years old, who are a little bit overweight and who are interested in weight loss and dieting, right? So those are the type of people I'm going to go ahead and speak to, and that's how my marketing message is going to come across, right? I want to have the right marketing message to market to those type of people. So you need to know who you're marketing to, right? That's the first step. Number 2 is picking an offer that converts. So many times people know who they're speaking to, right? They have the right marketing message in their advertisement, but the offer is crap, right? Now, the best way to figure out how to find an offer that converts, right? Some people, if you're promoting ClickBank products, they might say, look at the gravity score, right? In all actuality, guys, what's most important is actually looking at the video sales letters. Now, the video sales letter is simply the sales video for the actual affiliate offer. If you were in that target audience and you watch that video sales letter and you're not convinced to actually buy that product, it's probably not going to convert, right? So find something that's actually going to convert, right? If you watch it and it's compelling and it's engaging and it's a story and it's persuasive and they have strong call to actions, at that point, even if it's a weight loss product and I'm skinny as a freaking toothpick, if I feel like buying the damn product, even though I don't even need to lose weight, that's a good sign that it's a good product and that it's going to convert, right? Number 2 is make sure that even though it does convert, that is congruent with the brand, right? I don't just promote anything. I'm not going to go to promote something that's false income claims or false claims or just spammy looking type of offers. I want it to look ethical, right? So make sure it's ethical, make sure it converts. So finding an offer that converts, look at the advertisement material, look at the sales material, and make sure that it's going to be compelling and your target audience is going to want to actually buy, right? Because sometimes it might be a really good marketing message, but if you're getting that marketing message in front of the wrong people, it's not going to work. So number two is finding an offer that converts. Number 3, I should remember this, but I need my phone, right? Number 3 is you want to drive consistent traffic, right? Consistent targeted traffic. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, I'm not getting any sales, right? But they're doing affiliate marketing all wrong, right? They're reaching out to people in their inbox. They're saying, hey, do you want to go ahead and buy this product? Or, hey, are you interested? Let's just say they're selling a make money online product. Hey, are you interested in making money online or getting rich quickly or whatever? Guys, that's not how you sell products online, right? That's not scalable whatsoever, right? Trading your time for money. The whole reason why people get into affiliate marketing is so that way they don't have to trade their time for money like they do at a job, and they can actually scale their income, right? Make $1,000 in a week, make $5,000 in a week, $10,000 in a week, and so on, right? The only way you can do that is if you set up automation and you drive consistent quality traffic. Now, once that's profitable, you scale the traffic that you're driving to that offer, right? Now, Just a prime example, creating a YouTube account and creating how-to videos or something along those lines within those niches, and then having a call to action can eventually over time blossom into this really good quality traffic source. For my YouTube account, I get over 100 leads per day, right? That's a ridiculous income. Number two, Facebook ads are really targeted and you can scale it up, but you need to know what the heck you're doing, right? So consistent quality traffic, find a traffic source that you can be consistent and that you can drive a lot of it. Number four is follow up. So many people don't follow up, right? Whether you're doing retargeting ads with Facebook, you put a pixel on your actual your offers and you're retargeting people, right? Or even if you're following up with people with email marketing. Guys, 80% of your sales will come on the back end. Most people don't buy up front. Most people don't buy off of impulse. They want to think about it, right? They want to see, okay, is this a great decision? Or they might not have the finances at the time. Why do most people not buy it? They don't have the money, but they do want to buy it. So you have to remarket to those people aggressively so that way you can actually monetize those people and get those sales. So remarketing, following up, email marketing, however you decide to do it, figure out a way to actually follow up with these prospects. So that way you can increase your overall return on your advertisement spend. And even if you're doing free advertisement or free traffic sources, you want to follow up. And last but not least, guys, this is the number one thing. Number 5 is testing and optimizing. When it comes to your sales funnel, you want to split test your landing pages. Okay, this one's converting at 30%, this one's converting at 50%. Let me go ahead and keep this one. Okay, let me go ahead and change the headline. Okay, this one's converting better, let me keep this one. Let me go ahead and test the color of the button. Okay, green means go, red means no. Okay, so green works better. Let me go ahead and keep the green one. And you continue to optimize. Also with your advertisement, you want to go ahead and optimize the headline, optimize the advertisement image, optimize the message, optimize and test the audience that you're marketing to. That is the number one reason why most people fail in affiliate marketing. The only way you're going to go ahead and get results is if you optimize. And a lot of people don't have the ability to optimize because they don't have the money to do it, right? It costs a lot of money to optimize when you're doing paid advertising, right? So get a budget, work a job, work extra hours, invest into your business, right? And if not, do something like an Instagram page or a YouTube account to where you can start building a following and you can start marketing these products around that niche-based following that you're building, and then you can start optimizing your sales funnels and everything along those lines with that traffic, make money from that, reinvest into your business with paid traffic, optimize, profit, rinse, and repeat. So those are the 5 practical steps that you can start applying as soon as today to start getting results within your affiliate marketing business. Hopefully that helps. And if you guys want a mentor, and if you don't want to do affiliate marketing alone, and you don't want to do entrepreneurship alone, and you want to join a community, and you want to be mentored by myself personally, you guys can get access to my inner circle, to where I'm simply going to go ahead and show you how to get results. I'm going to answer your questions for you, right? Basically expedite your success process. Instead of you going through trial and error, right? I'll show you the ropes and show you how to get results within your business. And not only that, show you how to quit that fucking 9-to-5 and live the freaking dream life, right? So click the first link down below if you guys want to get access to my inner circle. If you guys gain value from that, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, give me a thumbs up, and your boy will see you on the next video. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.